Hello, so in today's video I am going to share with you the recipe of whole wheat samosa pinwheels, which is really very easy and super yum, so you must try it at your home. So without wasting time, let's get started. So here I have taken 1 cup of wheat flour and half teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of oil. Now mix all the dry ingredients and then add water little by little to make a soft dough. After making a soft dough, leave it for 20 minutes and then take a pan, add 3 teaspoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 2 chopped green chilies, curry leaves, and then roast it for 3 minutes. After roasting, add half chopped onion, then roast it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add salt to taste, half teaspoon of red chili powder and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and half teaspoon of garam masala, and then again roast it for 3 minutes. Then add 2 boiled and mashed potatoes, then again roast it for about 5 minutes. Now our potato mixture is ready. So take a small part of your dough on your rolling pin and sprinkle some wheat flour on it. Then roll it. Make a very thin layer of your dough because we are going to roast it. Now spread some potato mixture on your rolled dough and then cover the sides so that the potato mixture will not fall out. Now roll your stuffing. And then cut it into slices. Do the same with all your dough and potato mixture. And make sure to give a nice shape to your slice because we are going to make it through a wheat flour, so the shape may come bad. So after making all your pinwheels, we are going to roast it. So take a pan, add half teaspoon of oil and spread it on your pan, and then put your pinwheels and roast it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then flip it and again roast it for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then your pinwheels will done. So I hope you like it and I hope that this will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.